In this video, we will go over how to use the Loft Create feature. This design feature is useful when needing to extrude or extrude multiple different shapes and sizes into a three-dimensional design. For this example, I will first draw a circle in a sketch plane. Next, we will construct offset planes using the Offset Plane Construction feature. Each plane will receive its own 2D shape. I want to include 2 more planes and sketches to display a real-world application example made with this design feature. Now that we have all of the necessary 2D sketches and shapes made to the desired dimensions, we can now commence the loft. When the loft window is open, we need to select the profiles that are necessary for the 3D model. Below the profile box is a box for guide types. These two guide types are alternative methods in lofting. Rails are a guide type that use contour lines on the perimeter of shapes for lofting, while centerline is an option for lofting shapes by the center of a shape. Select OK to create the three-dimensional model.